Hello everyone. Oops, you are way too zoomed in. Hi everyone. How are you today? Happy Wednesday to you. What do we want to do today? I hadn't really thought ahead. Um, let's get out a piece of paper. Let's get out a piece of relatively largish paper. Maybe if I can reach one that will let me get it out. There we go. Oh, gosh. Ah, everything's coming crashing down. No. Okay, got it. Oh, that's only one piece. All right, that's a pretty good sized piece of paper. It is approximately 5.5 inches square. I am going to put down some random blocks of color with my Posca pens. Why? I don't know. Just what I feel like doing. We're just going to put down some random blocks of color. Don't need the white one, I don't think. Poscas aren't really meant for coloring on paper. They really are much better on going over the top of like canvas or something. They are a paint marker. They are not a marker. They are a paint pen. And their nibs do a number to the paper. But you know what? We're just going for it anyway. What is this about? I don't know. Why are we doing this? I don't know. What's going to come of it? I don't know. Are we just playing with supplies? Yes. Yes, we're just playing with supplies. We are having fun. Why? I don't know. Recently watched a lot of videos that have abstract art in them, which of course abstract art is awesome art because all of pattern art is abstract art. We are not anywhere close. Even if we happen to have something that's sort of representational, we are not anywhere close to having anything that is realistic. It's all abstract. And so, even when I have a pattern that has a flower shape or a seashell shape, it's not an actual flower or an actual seashell. It's a pattern. This is not proving very successful. Well, that's better. It was a little dry. Still making the paper quite saturated and unhappy. But you know what? That's what we're doing. Could I do something else? Yeah, I could. Could I decide to just not let you guys see this video because it comes out horrible? Perhaps. Should I have done the artwork first and then colored? Also, perhaps. Are we just playing? Yes. Ooh, very juicy. Too juicy. That's all right. We'll live. The paper might not, but we'll live. What's with this arch thing? I don't know what's with the arch thing. What am I doing? I don't know. Told you guys, I'm just playing. I'm not trying to get flat color, which is a good thing because flat color would not happen on this substrate with these pens. We need this color somewhere else. Here. And here. And here. Do we know what we're doing? No. No, we don't. Do we like that shape? Actually, kind of. All right. So far, that's what we've got. And now we need to dry it so that we can put some black on top. What are we going to do? I don't have any. I don't have any flippin' clue. Okay, hold your horses, guys. I'm going to get out the hairdryer if you have earphones on. Fair warning, hairdryer sound coming. All right. Am I going to use my good black markers on this? I am not. Absolutely not. Let's get out a pen that is disposable for me. Here's one of these old STA pigment liners. They are not my favorite, but they're perfect for this. Are we going to outline all of this? I don't know. Yes, I think so. Well, I don't know. I'm going to start with this. Okay. Do we have a plan? Still no. I'm just going to take these shapes and connect them with other shapes. I don't have a plan. I don't have a plan. Oh, this pen on top of this Sharpie marker, on top of this Posca marker is just awful. What is this thing? I don't know, but it's got texture now. Now it's got some kind of swirl to it. Is it pop art? Is it op art? What is it? I don't know. Abstract expressionism? I don't know. Dr. Seussian? Perhaps. Perhaps it's a little Dr. Seussian. I don't think I want to put a darker on that. But I do down here. Okay. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I know. I'm asking myself, what are you doing? What are you doing, Dawn? What is this? I do not know. The colors are fun. Some weird Hallmark birthday card. I don't know what it is. Those little snail-like shapes are tugging in the opposite direction. Nothing's going to go anywhere. Perhaps there's a crack. They're going in opposite directions. They're pulling it apart. You know what? I have no idea what it is, but it feels like it's done. What is this? You guys, what did I make? I don't have a clue. What is this? It's very Whoville-like. I don't know. I am going to go on a cruise that has some Dr. Seuss stuff on it. Am I channeling down my inner Dr. Seuss? Because clearly something has gone drastically different today. Alrighty. Well, we're just going to embrace it. I'm going to call it Embracing Dr. Seuss. Embracing my inner Dr. Seuss. That's what I'm going to call this particular video. Embracing my inner Dr. Seuss, because I have no idea what I just did. It came out. It needed to come out. It needed to be expressed. Whatever this is needed to be expressed. Just let your art express itself, even if it makes absolutely no sense to what any of your other art. Let it express itself. All right, you guys have a great day. I will go do something else because clearly weird things are happening. I am far enough ahead that I can take a break. And I will see you guys on the next video, whatever that may be. See you later. Bye, guys.